Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on a Google Pixel 6 phone. So we start by making sure the phone is turned off. If your phone is on, you need to hold down the volume up button and the power button to bring up the power off menu and turn it off. I happen to have mine turned off. We need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first cleans off the dirt and then evaporates without leaving a trace. And you can buy this specific brush in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise it will scratch your phone. So, once we have the phone turned off and everything prepared for cleaning, we dampen the brush thoroughly with alcohol so that it's wet. Hold the phone steady. With your other hand, the one you're not using to clean. Here we have the microphone, the first microphone, and we need to clean it, just like we cleaned the buzzer. So, using a one-way motion with the brush, perform 10 to 15 strokes to clean out the microphone opening. This is the first microphone. The phone has two microphones, so later we will also clean the second microphone. After 10 to 15 times, we also perform the motion in the other direction once. We just repeat this motion about 10 to 15 times as well. We never go left, right, because then we will just be moving the dirt around and we'll never clean it properly. Next, we can make a few strokes towards the screen so that the wall that goes towards the screen, is also cleaned, and then the same towards the back cover. 5-10 times to make sure it's cleaned. If the microphone is very dirty, it's good to just repeat this process 2-3 times. So 20-30 strokes in each direction, then the microphone will be perfectly cleaned. Once we're done, we put the phone down for a moment and dampen the brush again. The brush with alcohol, so it's wet, because it has already dried out, since alcohol evaporates quickly when it's warm. Now we take it, turn the phone over to the other side, and here we have a small opening. This is the second microphone, which is used for noise cancellation and hands-free calls, and they work together, so when cleaning, it's best to clean both, because cleaning just one might not solve the problem you're having, and only cleaning the second microphone will make the phone work like new, and we do exactly the same thing, so 10 to 15 strokes in one direction. Then the same 10 to 15 strokes in the other direction. Then 5 to 10 strokes towards the screen, and the same 5 to 10 strokes towards the back cover. After cleaning, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates and the phone is ready for use. We can turn it on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.